Have you seen those cool thumbnails or flyers that have a picture and it has a nice outline around the person? Sometimes it's glowing. That's what we're doing in this video. Join me. Let's create a video that shows you how to put an outline on a picture. Welcome content creators and entrepreneurs to African Multi-Design, the channel dedicated in bringing you tips, tool reviews and tutorials. So the first thing that you would do, because we're doing this tutorial on Canva today, you would search for a design either on Create a Design, but I would like to use a presentation Canva because it's nice and big for us to do this. So you would open a brand new one and then you would go and change the background of your Canva to whatever you like. So let's choose a nice orangey kind of a color, and then we can add I kind of like this. Let's make it a bit lighter, and you'd like to add your background and it looks like this. Next you're going to go to elements, and then you're going to find your picture that you want to use, either a picture that's on Canva, or you can use one that you've uploaded. Usually you would use one that you've uploaded. So if you go to uploads, we're going to use this nice young lady and we're going to put an outline on her picture. So then you would click and drag and you can add her wherever you'd like to add the picture that you're adding on your outline or your flyer or your thumbnail. So once it's added, you would highlight the picture and then you're going to go to effects. And once you get to effects, you're going to scroll down. Let me move myself out of the way because I'm in the way here. You're going to scroll down until you find shadows, and on shadows you're looking for the glow effect. So once you click on the glow effect, you can see on the picture it starts glowing the outline of this young lady here. So when you click on the filters or the settings rather of the glow effect, then you get to view the settings that you can change and make it your own. So what you would then do, you would choose the color. So I would like to, let's make a generic one. Let's choose white. Then you click on color and you choose white. It's a 0 blur, and transparency you're going to make it 100%. And then it starts giving that nice effect, that nice outline on the picture. And then when it comes to size, it depends on how big you want to be. You see when I scroll up and down, it gives it nice, a big or whatever effect or size that you would like. I'd like between 12 and 14. I'm happy with that. And this is how you add an outline on a picture, as easy as that. In the comments below, let me know what you think of the outline. Actually, are you still using outlines on your thumbnails or anywhere else? Let me know. But thank you for joining me. I do enjoy our time. I'll see you on the next video.